is the world's grumpiest seagull right here. What's wrong, buddy? How are you doing? Hey y'all, Carpet family here, coming to you live from the north, more specifically Marquette, Michigan, in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and we are here at one of the Great Lakes, one of the greatest lakes, if you will, Lake Superior. I guess Superior implies that it is indeed the greatest lake.
Where's Lake Inferior?
Yeah, where's Lake Inferior, Christy?
I shouldn't say anything.
Yeah, don't say anything bad about any of the lakes. People take the lakes very seriously. But anyway, we're hanging out here relaxing for a few days next to this island of squawking monsters. So follow us. Why are you so mad? You just hear the endless squawking.
Dad, can these things break?
No, I used to ride these all the time when I was a kid.
Mom, look at this.
What?
The viewfinder.
Yeah, these are defective. You won't slide?
This is really good.
Are you stuck?
Who's sticky?
That was the most awkward slide down a slide I've ever seen. How come none of these things at the park work right?
Wait, can I do that thing and run up?
There you go. So here off the coast of Lake Superior, there is an inordinate amount of shipwrecks, and they're in freshwater and shallow water, crashed along this docking area right here. And I don't know exactly where they are, but I'm gonna fly my drone around a little bit and see if I can spot a shipwreck. Maybe we'll find some treasure. Alright, so I didn't have a lot of luck blindly finding a shipwreck by flying it around a marina. The drone did get a little blurry there, so I'm gonna have to review that footage. Maybe there was a shipwreck in there somewhere. Let me know if you saw one. But anyways, we're here in the downtown area of Marquette, and there's a really fascinating sculpture. This is Phil DeMisto, and he was the town window washer. Apparently, he was not a public employee, he was not paid to do anything, he did not have a true job, but he liked to come down every day, wash all the storefronts. As you can see, there's quite a bit of storefront here. Old theater there. And old Phil, he just liked to help out. He just liked to keep the windows clean. He liked to garden and plant plants in these public gardens, and he never asked for one bit of compensation. And so the city, in honor of Phil, built him a statue. I love seeing statues built to the common man. And I love how he's all white and plastery and his clothes are bright and colorful. You can see the statue kind of captures some of his warmth and character. And Phil was lucky enough. He actually got to see the statue of himself once it was erected, but sadly he died only 4 months after the statue was erected. Alright, so yesterday's attempts at finding a lost shipwreck proved to be non-fruitful, but we're not done yet. I found a shipwreck, the Bermuda, wrecked in 1870 in Murray Bay here in Munising, Michigan, and I think we have a good chance of seeing it if we fly a Possum 2 out there to find it. So let's see if we can find that ship. Here we are in Christmas, Michigan, and there's jolly old Saint Nick himself here at the Christmas Casino. Don't gamble away all your money. Ho, 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 ho. This is interesting. Dog Patch Restaurant, based after the Little Abner cartoons, the famed hillbilly cartoons that have not existed for decades, but for some reason there's still things themed after them. Dog Patch USA, this old broken down truck, moonshine jug, and it says Tennessee liquor and something. Pulled off the side of the road here for just a minute just to take in the beauty of these beautiful white birch trees. Alright, stopping off at Castle Rock Curios. Okay, this shop is pretty cool. The ceiling is covered in white birch bark. Did not expect to see this in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Do not touch the bear. The raccoon-eating cowboy bear. Look at all these bullwhips, Anna. But watch out. Don't crack them. Check out this. Paul Bunyan and his mighty ox, Babe. Guess they built this cage around him so people don't climb on him and break his axe off. I do like how Babe is sticking her tongue out for some reason. All right, this is actually quite a climb up here to the top of Castle Rock. Whew. All right, there we are. Just a little bit further to the top of Castle Rock. Oh wow. All right, here we are on the top of Castle Rock with the lake over there. There's the main road, but other than that, miles and miles of untouched wilderness. In here, I plant my flag at the top of Castle Rock.
Oh my god.
Also, a little bit of human kindness here. The admission is only $1 to go to the top, but I didn't have any cash on me, so they said that the credit card machine had a limit of $10. So I was looking for some merchandise to buy so we could buy tickets up at the top, and a friendly stranger actually just paid the $2 to let me and Anna go up there, which is very nice. There's Paul and Babe from behind. Preparing to cross the world's famous Mackinac Bridge, which I hear is terrifying, but I guess we're gonna find out firsthand. I don't know how it makes me feel that there's a convoy of flammable trucks that are gonna be joining us on this giant bridge. All right, here we go. Crossing over, what lake are we crossing over?
This is where Huron and Michigan meet.
Which side's Huron?
This.
That's Huron, and that's Michigan over there? Ah, my old friend Michigan.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, stay away from this explosive truck.
Alright. It's okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, one of the...
Alright, so we're over the bridge, and we're entering the part of Michigan known as the Mitten. If I ever mentioned how much I love this country of ours, I appreciate you guys joining me and my family as we travel through the Upper Peninsula and down into the Mitten of Michigan. Saw quite some cool things, recorded some other videos that you should be seeing very, very soon. If you like these videos, please check down in the description. I have an interactive map that'll show you all the places I've been, and you make suggestions on places that you'd like to see me go. Also, if you'd like to contribute to the channel, I sell t-shirts in the description as well. I have a Patreon page where if you send at least $3 a month, I will send you a postcard while I'm out and about on my journeys. This one's in the bag.